Hi guys, Retrocengo here, just with another quick video update because I am just overwhelmed with the mails I'm getting from people that ask me if I'm done with YouTube. No, I'm not done with YouTube because usually I upload 1, 2, 3, sometimes 4 videos per week with all retro gaming and all that. But for the last 2 weeks it has I haven't made that much Commodore stuff and all that because I am totally in DOS mode. I mean, it's just crazy how much DOS love I'm enjoying for the moment. So guys, just a quick video update. I'm not done with YouTube. More videos will come, but I am figuring out if I want a 486 as a DOS machine or Pentium I, or take the jump to a Pentium III and install Windows 98. And I'm having so much fun with different graphic cards, all the awesome DOS games, and the most important part, music. I mean, it's just so much new stuff for me. I mean, I only had a normal sound blaster back then, so I'm really enjoying all this general MIDI sound and all that. So more videos are on the way, guys. I'm just trying to figure out this DOS machine, which one it's gonna be. So I'm out buying some different computers as usual. So take it easy, guys. More videos will come. The love and passion for all the retro stuff is still here. Just take it easy, okay? Have a nice day, guys. Bye.